There is no power anywhere, only principality. They only command evil spirit as a power. Power is the functionality of a personality. Someone only possesses power, strength, and they inculcate it, they invoke it. Death is a spirit. Failure is a spirit. Accident is a spirit. Cause is a spirit. Success is a spirit. All these things that you think you know, they are all spirit. You don't have power anywhere. So don't believe that power will torment you. Yeah, though we have physical strength, that is to say you are able, if it is to throw blow. So the power is not coming from the sky. The power is coming from you. So you are the one that carry the power. There is no power anywhere else. That is why I don't believe that one. They say the power of no. The witchcraft is a personality. So when they bewitch you, they use their manipulated and stimulated power to eliminate and fight against you. You get it?